All right, guys, we're selling. I've just entered right there after 16:30, and we wait to see what's gonna happen. All right, guys, so that's my trade so far. I've locked in and I'm also still holding. I just want to do the math to see how much money I need to pass the challenge. This is like 1%. So let's wait and see how everything is gonna go out. If you just make 700, we are done. Let's see. USD melt, USD melt, please, USD melt. USD melt. USD melt, please. Melt, please. USD melt. I want you to melt. I want you to melt and hit TP. I want you to melt and hit TP. Okay, go. Let me call my PA because this is gonna be like great. Oh, go down. Oh my goodness. Let's go down. You're steady. Let's go down. You're steady. Melt. Let's go down. You're steady. Let's go down. Let's go. Give me. Why are you going up? Why are you going up? Let's go down. You can hit TP. You can hit my stop loss. Let's go down. You are steady. Let's go down, my friend too. Let's go down. Where are you going? Okay. We just need our target is, let me just write. Go down, you are steady. Go down. My brother, go down. Yeah. I want you to go down. Listen to me. You are steady. When I say, you have to listen to me. When I say go down, okay, yeah, 250. When I say go down, you have to listen. 7, 8, 9. Yeah. When I say go down, you have to listen. Listen to me when I say go down. When I Bravo, bravo. Yeah, we got some muching. 2%, it's going down. Let me show you. They would have okay. Yeah, the one is a screenshot. Yeah, the one is a screenshot. Go down, go down, go down. Let me show you. Let's go down, let's go down, let's go down. Yeah, look at video combo now. Yo! Hey, we're getting there! Yeah! Go on, available. The profit. You go, nigga? You be some mamba, Soron. You be some mamba for them. Going up when you can go down. Why are you going up? Why not? Yes. Back here. This one wants to play with us. Can I see you? So close. Yeah. Yo. But we are close. We are close. Don't figure it out. Mas. Hey, yeah. Push to the downside. Push. Braga, eu sabe.
Stop the cap. Stop the cap right now. Stop the cap. Oh, here we go again.
Boring.
Hi.
Okay.
Oh!
Ew!
What the fuck? Do me a favor, please. Get out of here. Get out of here, man. Shit, I'm saying.